How to clear cache in Mozilla Firefox. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In today's video, we will understand how to clear cache in Mozilla Firefox. Clear cache in Firefox can be performed easily with a handful of steps that take a few minutes only. If you are ready, here is what you need to do. On your system, open Mozilla Firefox browser. At the top right corner, click on three lines. Then click on Settings. A new window will appear. At the left corner, click on Privacy and Security option. Scroll down under Cookies and Site Data, click on Clear Data option. Now uncheck this option, Cached Web Content. Below click on Clear button. This is how you can simply clear cache in Mozilla Firefox. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.